the analyst. Today we're having a brief conversation on the subject of data bar. What you can see right on the screen, that's under the speed column, is called data bar. What are data bars? Data bars are visualization tools. They are also conditional formatting tools that are used to represent the data within the cell, right? Like I said, it's a visualization tool just to give you a clearer insight into what your data is saying, into what data points are saying, right? So let's rerun the data bar right on this column just to see what it looks like, right? So this is our highlight the data you want to run the conditional formatting upon. Let's set the border also. Okay, so we're highlighting this, after which you go under conditional formatting, you see data bar, you see gradient fill, and you see solid fill, right? So I prefer to work with gradient fill, and the reason is because of the aesthetics that comes with it, right? So it makes it look better with the gradient. Let's put solid fill beside it. You see what that looks like. That just comes out like an ancient visualization. So I just comes up. See how the gradient fill used there comes with different shades, right? Look at how it starts with a thick color and then it goes on and it fades out, right? So that's what we want to. So whenever we are using any visualization tool, you want to consider the aesthetics, you want to consider the looks, right? You want to consider how attractive what you are visualizing looks, right? So it also contributes to the interest of whoever you are communicating your data to. I hope that helps, right? So just click on this. So let's go back to gradient fill, and since we have to, we can delete one actually, right? So just do Ctrl minus to delete it off, right? Right. So we have our data bar. So if you observe the cell C8, you see how that we have a red bar there, and that's because there's a negative value there. So when we have a negative value, it visualizes or displays a red bar. So how that helps, don't forget to share with someone, don't forget to like, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to stay notified upon the next video.